Hello friends, in the last two videos we discussed what a surprise shot is and we discussed what flinching is. Now in this video we will discuss how each and every shot should be a surprise shot so that it goes in the 10. In order to shoot a surprise shot and to avoid flinching, you have to mentally concentrate 100%. Focus only on the trigger feeling before, during, and after the shot is fired. Now that is easier said than done because as you can see in this video, the moment you start concentrating on the second pull of the trigger, your mind gets diverted to the foresight shaking, and then you wait till your foresight stops shaking, and then you go back to concentrating on your trigger operation. Then it may also happen that your mind gets distracted to the entire sights shaking, as shown in the video. You wait till the sights become steady, and then you go back to concentrating on your trigger operation. Sometimes your mind gets distracted to an improper focus, as shown in the video. And then again you wait so that you get a good focus, and then again you go back to concentrating on the trigger operation. At some times, it can so happen that your mind gets distracted to the arc of movement. So you wait till your arc of movement is reduced, then you go again back to concentrating on your trigger operation. So even before the shot is fired, your mind and your mental focus is completely diffused. So what happens is when the shot is fired, your mental focus is completely diffused and your shot can go anywhere. So this is the dilemma that each shooter faces. When the sights come into the aiming area, you should be concentrating 100% on the trigger operation. Unfortunately, it gets diverted. The key to shooting a surprise shot and to shoot a 10 is to keep yourself mentally focused on the trigger operation, which means that you must have immense confidence in your aiming process. As you know, the aiming process is when the sights come into the aiming area, the sight should be aligned, your focus on the front sight should be excellent, and your arc of movement should be reduced. Now this should happen automatically for each and every shot. And if you have the confidence in your aiming process, only then you can concentrate on your trigger operation. Your mind can focus only on one thought at any given point of time. You cannot think of the aiming process and the trigger operation at the same time. So it's either the aiming process or the trigger operation. So if you want to concentrate 100% on the trigger operation, you have to make your aiming process automatic. You should have the confidence that your sights will be aligned, your focus will be sharp on the front sight, and your arc of movement should be reduced. Now, how to do that and how to keep your mind focused on trigger operation before, during, and after the shot requires systematic training. And this systematic training will now be available on my website through a series of videos. Those who are seriously interested in mastering their aiming process and mastering the trigger operation so that both the aiming process and the trigger operation becomes automatic, please go on my website. There is a questionnaire there. It is in Hindi as well as in English. Just fill it out and I will receive it. I will go through these applications. I will shortlist them and I will call them personally. Till then, all the best. Thank you.